Do we have
I wasn't recording. My bad. What's your name?
Trey?
What is tomorrow?
My last day of school, which is PJ and pajama day.
Well, today, what are we going to do?
We're gonna go kayaking.
And what are you going to do on the drive there?
I'm gonna play my Nintendo.
All right. It's like 25 minute drive, okay? All right. So you use the potty. I use the potty. Okay. Maybe we can get some drone footage on the way. A good shot. I'm going to try. Yeah? Okay. You ready?
Yeah.
All right. Let's go.
Hi.
Our day.
It was good.
Sorry, is the light too bright?
Yeah, and also I'm gonna be in second grade.
We celebrated second grade today. Say bye.